After getting knocked out of the Champions League this week, Manchester United are all set to face Manchester City in the Manchester Derby tomorrow. So, will Manchester United clinch their fifth consecutive victory of the Premier League this season? Or will Manchester City create more issues and problems for Manchester United and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer? We're gonna find out in this video. But before that, we look at the stats of the two teams against each other. So in the last 6 derbies, Manchester City have won only 2, while Manchester United have won 3. And they are undefeated in their last 4 derbies. And United have kept a clean sheet against Manchester City in the last 3 derbies. Looking at the performance of the two teams in the Premier League this season, Manchester United have won last 4 consecutive games in the Premier League, while Manchester City have won 2 consecutive games in the Premier League. This week, midweek Champions League game, Manchester United lost to RB Leipzig 3-2 and they got knocked out of the Champions League. While Manchester City defeated Marseille 3-0 and I think they are in the round of 16 in the Champions League. So looking at the performance of the two teams, Manchester City are currently on 7th position with 18.6 points less than the league leaders Tottenham Hotspur. Jose Mourinho's magic is working, I think. And Manchester United are right above Manchester City on 6th position with 19 points and 5 points less than Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool. But both the teams have a game in hand and this is the game. But will they be able to capitalize it? Will they be able to win this fixture and move closer to the teams who are running the Premier League show right now, Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool? Although Liverpool had many injuries, but they have cope up with it and they are performing quite brilliantly. But coming to Manchester City and Manchester United, it has been an inconsistent season for the two teams. But this game can change things up and down in the Premier League table as well as for these two teams. So I'll tell you the prediction little later. First, we'll get into the key players for these two teams. So the key player for Manchester United is going to be none other than Bruno Fernandes. So Bruno Fernandes has been the engine of Manchester United, to be honest. I don't know where this team would be if Manchester United wouldn't have signed Bruno. So Bruno has scored 7 goals and 4 assists he has provided. Total involvement 11 goals. 11 goals of Manchester United have been scored only because of Bruno Fernandes. Coming to Manchester City, on the other hand, Manchester City's key player is going to be Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne has scored 2 goals and provided 6 assists in the Premier League this season. And we all know how much Manchester City is dependent on Kevin De Bruyne. The crosses he provides, the chances he creates, and with that attacking line of Manchester City, he's just a genius and magician in the midfield. So these two are going to be the key players and their performance will decide the result of this game. Because whenever they perform well, that team does well. So I hope Bruno Fernandes and Kevin De Bruyne perform in this game because I want this Manchester Derby to be entertaining. So let's get into the prediction for this game. This is the main question. So who is going to win this fixture? So Manchester United are currently really poor, to be honest. They are inconsistent. Whenever you think that Manchester United will lose the game, they win. And whenever they have to win or draw, they lose the game. So there has been a lot of inconsistent performance from Manchester United. And looking at the defense line they have with De Gea, Maguire and all of them facing a lot of issues on the field currently, it looks like that Manchester City might win this fixture because in last 5 games in all competition, Manchester City have kept a clean sheet. And with the attack Manchester City have, and looking at the defensive line of Manchester United, I feel Manchester City will score a goal for sure. So going with my prediction, I feel that Manchester United will score 1 goal, but Manchester City will score 2 goals and clinch the Manchester Derby after 1.5 years. So this is my prediction. I hope you loved this video. Tell me in the comment section that what do you feel? What is your prediction for this game and what should be the lineup for the two teams for this fixture? I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.